Pass, onyesho ambalo wengi wa wananchi huweza kusikia tu sauti lakini ndege hawaioni. Naomba tuweze kuyakaza macho yetu upande wa kulia ili tukaweze kupata. Amefika kwa umaridadi kabisa. Pass, onyesho ambalo wengi wa wananchi huweza kusikia tu sauti lakini ndege hawaioni. Naomba tuweze kuyakaza macho yetu upande wa kulia ili tukaweze kupata. Amefika kwa umaridadi kabisa. Amefika kwa umaridadi kabisa.
President Ruto and other dignitaries instinctively flinched, sensing danger despite having seen such before. The jet wreaked havoc along its flight path, especially in Nairobi West area. Windows were shattered, residents fled in panic, and homes were damaged.
Imagine out of the blue, you just hear some big noise and some, maybe like a blast, when glasses break suddenly out of the blue. So far I don't think there's no damages regarding for health-wise injuries or anything, but it costs people a lot to repair the glasses and so on.
Residents insist this was unusual. The low height of the plane caused damage and reportedly sparked fear among those of frail condition.
We want people to consider the safety procedures. I think this damage was caused because the jets flew lower than expected. They're supposed to be flying, I don't know.
Now residents are demanding safety guarantees and compensation to prevent future incidents.
We hope our government considers the damages and compensates us for what happened. People were frightened instead of them being happy and celebrating today as a public holiday. There's safety procedures regarding the jets passing by, making sure no one is harmed. It's a day for celebration. It's not a day for people being sad or any injuries. We don't know, maybe some injuries might be fatal, you know. People might mourn regarding that matter. We want it to be a really celebration day.
With a lot of effects in buildings near NYAYO Stadium.
High-speed pass, onyesho ambalo wengi wa wananchi huweza kusikia tu sauti lakini ndege hawaioni. Naomba tuweze kuyakaza macho yetu upande wa kulia ili tukaweze kupata. Amefika kwa umaridadi kabisa.